In this video, we are going to be talking about how to add a custom message to a My Account page on WooCommerce using Functions.php. So I am in the theme editor for our child theme. I'm clicking Theme Functions, and we'll scroll down here. And the code that we're going to be putting in is this, and so you could style this however you wanted. Right now, it's just a message that would appear. There is this class, so we could add information in the style sheet to make this look pretty. Right here, I'm going to click Update File, and we'll go to the website. We'll go to My Account on the website. And here you can see that this notification appears right here. If you want to change this in any way, you could just adjust that right here in the Functions.php. Now, I know that sometimes we don't want to necessarily have a note in the Functions.php, and so there are a few other ways that you can go about adding it. The first one, potentially, could be actually going and just adding information on this page. Update. You could then view the information here. Now, this does not add it within the My Account information. It would just be adjusting the template for a page. So that could be a great way if you have images and sort of more complex information to add. You could have it be at the top of the page or down at the bottom. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how to add a new page that then you actually embed onto the My Account page rather than using the code, or excuse me, the content that you're pasting into the Functions.php file. So rather than having this right here, we're actually going to embed content from another page. And this just adds some more flexibility. If you're worried about an employee, for example, messing up the content or not knowing what to do when they get into this file, that's a great solution. In the second part, we are going to be adjusting this note right here so that it actually pulls in content from another page rather than having to go to the Functions.php and adding in content here. So this is great if you have a store admin who needs to be updating sales information, but you don't want them adjusting any pages or any files that could affect the overall site. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to create the page, and I will call this page new account or account message page. This is the text. Here we have some text for the account page. Let's add some bullets. Let's say you have a sale and you want to have some bullets. One. And let's say you also want to add in an image. Just add in this image. You could do 2 across, 3 across, maybe an image gallery. And I am going to click Publish. Now, one thing I want to do here as well is, just because we were talking about styling, I want to make this like that, maybe add a link here. Go to Google. Okay, perfect. So let's click update on this. And in the URL, we can see that the page post number is 742. So just remember 742 when you go back to the file editor. Functions, and we're going to adjust this down here so that it embeds that page, 742. So here, 2 is the post ID. And so what we're saying is we're getting that post and we're putting it into that message. Click update. Okay. Let's now go to the My Account page. We'll see what this looks like. And so here again, the WooCommerce messages or notices have this background. So we'd want to potentially change that in the CSS. We'd be able to do that, no problem. Here though, we have bold text, we have the H2, we have the link that clicks to Google and the image. So this is just a great way if you want something a little bit easier to update. Maybe in the bullet points, you have recent blog posts or links to recent newsletters. This could just be an easy way to keep fresh information for your customers when they're going to their account page.